Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So nakita niyo ba siguro sa title ng video, I'm going to share to you my thoughts about the Careline multi-sticks. Ito yung kanilang better than basic Careline stick. I'm aware na I'm pretty late in the game in uploading this video. Feeling ko marami na kayong napanood na ganitong video. And this is not a first impression. Ginagamit ko na itong mga to for more than a week already. So this is what it looks like. Alam niyo naman na siguro kung anong itsura niya. These are parang mga on-the-go sticks and it costs $199 if I'm not mistaken sa department store. Pero I bought these kasi sa Beauty M&L and it costs around 205 pesos. So it's okay kasi wala talaga akong type pumunta ng mall. So I have 5 of the 6 multi-sticks kasi yung blur stick, hiniram siya ng friend ko and hindi pa niya binabalik and it's okay. Kahit hindi niya ibalik, sa kanya na yun. Kasi honestly you guys, anything that is pore blurring, wala pa akong nakikitang bonggang-bongga. And kahit yung pore blurring ng Careline, it's okay. Pero hindi niya talaga gagawing, alam mo yan, super duper poreless or really smoothing skin mo. Plus, it doesn't make your foundation last long. In my experience, in my more than a week experience. So, didiretsahin ko na kayo. The pore blurring stick, meron siyang pinipiling skin. It won't work for everyone. It didn't work for me. So, I'm not saying don't try it. I'm saying you go try it and see if it works for you. Kung talagang magagawa niya yung mabablur niya yung pores mo, it will make your the surface of your skin smoother or something like that. Pero sa akin kasi, mediocre lang siya. Okay lang kahit hindi ko siya, okay lang kahit wala siya. You guys, I'm pretty sure karamihan sa mga videos na nakita nyo, they targeted a natural looking and all that. These sticks are really good for, everyday natural looking type of makeup. And I actually thought of doing a, natural looking makeup and all that. Kaya lang parang gusto ko yung bigyan ng option. So for today, we are going to do a full face. I will try to make it as glam as possible, okay? Tatry kong gawin yung makeup na ginagawa ko for nag-on cam ako sa DZMN. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup. So I'm done with my skin prep. Malinis na yung face ko. Nag-wash na ako ng face. Nag-toner na ako and nag-moisturize na ako. So for today, gagamitin ko yung aking Maybelline favorite Maybelline Dream Satin Foundation. Itong makeup na to, this is for those who have a lot of things to cover. So as you can see, marami akong blemishes right now. Kung gagawa sana ako ng natural looking makeup right now, I would probably just use a BB cream. First stick na feature ko is the Brighten stick and it looks like this. So I use this as a semi-highlight. So nilalagay ko siya sa ilalim ng eyes ko. May iba't ibang paraan para gamitin nyo to guys, pero ako I prefer on applying it directly. Some, you can actually put it here muna, warm it up, and then saka mo gagamitin like dito sa under eyes mo. Pero ako kasi nagmamadali ako, so diretso na ako. And then dito din, and dito. The thing is guys, yung iba ginagamit to as a concealer, lalo na kung ka-shade nyo. Pero it doesn't last that long kasi as a concealer to cover your blemishes. Lalo na kung meron ka mga bonggang-bonggang blemishes gaya yung dark pimples na meron ako dito. I don't think this is strong enough to cover it. And sa unang lagay, oo, pero as the day goes on, magfa-fade at magfa-fade to as a concealer. Pero as a brightener, it does work. Kaya ilalagay mo siya dun sa mga parts na normally gusto mo i-highlight or something like that. Kaya nga, hindi ko nare-recommend na gamitin mo siyang concealer. Formula-wise and consistency, very creamy siya. It works if you're going for a natural look, but it also works if, alam mo ito, ganitong full face foundation makeup ang meron ka. Just put it on top. But be sure to set it, guys, for it to last long. Gagawin ko muna pala yung eyebrows ko. Wala akong Careline eyebrow pencil, so I'm going to use my Everblena Cristakino collaboration. Okay, so next product that I'm going to feature is yung kanilang contour stick. And ganito ka-dark yung contour stick, but do not be afraid. Right off the bat, didiretsuhin ko na kayo. This is one of my favorite doon sa entire collection because napaka-effective niya as a contour stick. Let me show you. So what I do guys, yung style ko is nilalagay ko talaga siya ng ganyan pero dyan lang sa outer edge. It is so pigmented pero it is very easy to blend as well. So what I usually do is I use my beauty blender. Kung gusto mo ng mas sheer, natural effect na contour, use a beauty blender. Kung gusto mo ng mas pigmented na contour, use a brush. Here, let me show you the magic. Oh, dibo! It's all in the technique, you guys. Kaya practice makes perfect. So for my jaw, I'm going to use a brush para maiba lang. Pero usually ginagamit ko pa din yung beauty blender. Carve, dye pa nga. Iba-brush ko lang yung powder na nilagay sa under eyes ko. So, meron akong two ways to contour my nose. Una is yung, ilalagay ko muna yung contour stick dito. Warm it up a little bit, and then saka ko ilalagay ng ganyan. Pero, pag nagmamadali ako, diretso ko siyang nilalagay. Yung outer edge nung curve, nung bilog, tinatapat ko talaga siya dito. Just like that. And like these, and like these. And then, I just use my fingers to blend it. Ever so lightly. Okay, so next stick that I'm going to feature is yung kanilang strobe stick. And you guys, aside from the contour stick, this is another one of my favorite. So how do I use this? Again, so many ways. Pwedeng ilagay mo muna siya sa back ng hand mo. Use your fingers to warm it up, and then saka mo ilagay ng ganon. Pero ako kasi masyado ako nagmamadali. So I just put it like that. Hindi naman madiin na. Just, you know, papasadahan ko lang ng ganyan. And do not be afraid kasi madali naman siyang mag-spread. Halimbawa, pag gamit mo yung fingers mo, ganyan-ganyan, mag-spread naman siya. Or you can also use your beauty blender. Kapag naka-natural face ka lang at hindi full pack foundation, magandang gamitin yung beauty blender. Kasi parang magsaslide lang siya sa skin mo, lalo na kung naka-BB cream ka lang, or naka-moisturizer ka lang. At dahil OA ako mag-highlight, dadagdagan ko pa. Next stick we're going to talk about is yung kanilang colored sticks. So I have the peach and I have the rose stick. Formula-wise, it's easy to blend on your cheeks and sa eyelids mo. Nagamit ko na rin siya sa eyelids mo. Pero sa eyelids, don't expect na it's gonna last the whole day. Sa cheeks mo, depende. If naka-natural makeup ka lang, BB cream lang yung meron ka, and then hindi mo siya isiset ng bonggang-bongga, I think it's gonna last a few hours, and then kailangan mo na mag-retouch. Pero in my experience, ginamit ko to with a full foundation on, tapos sinet ko yung face ko. It lasted a little bit longer, kasi nga meron akong foundation na kakapitan niya. Plus, sinet ko pa ng powder. So, magagamit mo siya on both natural and full face makeup on. So for my cheeks, I'm going to use yung rose. So how do I apply it? Again, you can use the hand technique muna. I-warm up mo muna siya. And then use your fingers. And then yun yung gamitin mong pang-apply ng ganyan-ganyan. Ako kasi natatagalan ako sa fingers, so I use my beauty blender. As in, dabbing motion lang, guys, since meron akong foundation underneath. Kapag natural makeup yung ginagawa ko, as in like BB cream lang, ina-apply ko siya ng diretsong ganyan. And then I just use my fingers to blend it like that, or I use my beauty blender to blend it like that. Pero since may inaalagaan tayong foundation underneath, I have to be extra careful. So dab-dab lang tayo ng ganyan. Ayan. So we are done with the cheeks, pero parang gusto ko pang gawing flushed ng slide. So maglalagay ako dyan. And then I'm going to blend it. Now we're going to proceed with the eyeshadows, and nagamit ko na yung rose sa cheeks ko, so I'm going to use the peach one sa eyes ko. I sometimes apply it directly like that. Pero sa eyelids, mas magandang i-warm up mo muna siya sa back ng hand mo. Ayun pala pinagkaiba. This is the rose, this is the peach. You can use your fingers for a more sheer, natural color. Let's try to use a brush. Pwede naman. Don't be afraid to put a lot kasi nag-sheer out naman siya. Next I'm going to do is yung contour stick. Yun naman ang gagamitin natin pang add ng depth. So ilalagay ko siya close to my lash area. So my lash line. And then a little bit dito sa outer V. So I'm now using a brush to blend yung orange and yung contour. Yung peach and yung contour. Yes! Patience is a virtue nga lang, guys, kasi this is a cream product. It takes longer to blend than a, powder eyeshadow. Kunin ko yung strobing stick. And then, maglalagay na ako sa inner corners and then a little bit hanggang papuntang gitna. I really love the strobing stick. Lagay tayo ng konti dito sa gitna. Just enough to add highlight. Ang tanong, kaya bang mag-eyeliner na merong cream products size? Ang sagot, pupwede, pero dipindi. Pwede kang mag-liquid eyeliner on top of the cream shadows. Pero kapag pencil, I'm not sure kung it will stay long sa eyes mo. Lalo na kung yung pencil na yun is, hindi smudge-proof or something like that. Pero wala akong smudge-proof na pencil eh. So, let's move on to the lips. And you guys, didiretsuhin ko na kayo. Hindi siya ganun kabongga sa lips kapag kunwari in-apply yung diretso ng ganyan. Para siyang lipstick sa lips, pero hindi ganun ka-luxurious yung feel. Alam mo yun? And kakapit siya sa dry patches ng labi niya. So, make sure na lagi niyang min-moisturize and exfoliate yung labi niya. Pwede naman siya, pero wag kayong mag-expect na para siyang lipstick. Kasi hindi siya parang lipstick. Para talaga siyang cream. So, I'm using the pink one. Ito pwede na no? Pero gusto kong gawing complicated ang buhay ko. So, I'm going to get a little bit of the contour cream or contour stick. And then, ilalagay ka siya sa inner corners. Just, pampa-deepen lang ba. And oh my God, kukontour ko yung aking lips. Alam mo, sagad-sagad na po natin ang paggamit ng ng mga multi-stick, So, I have here the strobing stick. Ilalagay ko sa gitna. Para kunwari, wet look effect. So, I'm just setting my face very lightly with a translucent powder para mag-last long ang ating makeup.
I'm a thief at night. They never see it coming, holding hands, and I'm running off with the heart light. I'm 007, shaking hands with the devil, ain't usually a white knight. Been a feeling in black tie, now you in my bedside for the 14th time, and I don't mind. If it's a game.
So we are done with the makeup. Pili ko mas bongga to kung may falsies ako, kaya lang wala akong lash glue. So, anyway, what are my final thoughts? Honestly, I highly recommend that you try all their multi-sticks ng Careline. Kasi surprise nyo, napakasulit. You can wear this every day, lalo na kung hindi nyo kailangan ng bonggang-bonggang, hardcore dark eyes makeup. Yung brighten stick, it does work, but it's not necessarily, oh my God, you have to get it. Kung meron kang ginagamit na effective na sa'yo na concealer or whatever brightener, you can just go with it. You can skip this, pero it's okay. It's okay. It does work. It's just not, contour stick. Oh my God, yung contour stick talaga, kunin nyo to. It's like one of the best contour stick. Pwede mo siyang i-deepen pa, or pwedeng, alam mo yun, subtle contour lang. I really like it. It's so effective in giving you a perfect contour. Contour lang hindi bronzing. So, yeah, highly recommend this one. Strobing stick, I feel the same way with the contour. Get these two because it's like a perfect highlighter on the go. Alam mo yun, lahat ng stick nito, perfect siya for on the go. Kasi swipe ka lang and then you can blend it with your fingers or your beauty blender and then you're done. So, I really like the strobing stick. Pwede mo siyang kapalan if you want a blinding, highlight. Lalo na kung wet look na yung foundation mo. Perfect for everyday wear. So, yung colored sticks naman nila. Kung papipiliin ako, go for the rose because this is more pigmented than the peach one. And I think this is more long-lasting sa experience ko than this one kapag ginagamit ko siya sa cheeks ko. Kasi ito parang nagbe-blend away lang siya sa, alam mo yun, sa skin ko. Pero ito, it really give me a flush of color. Both of them are okay. You can have both of them depende sa skin tone mo and depende sa, preference mo, anong color yung mas bagay sa'yo. Pero I like the rose one better. Kasi parang kamukha din siya ng peach kapag sheer out mo. And pwede mo siyang kapalan if you want a really, rosy pink color on your cheeks. Are they effective on your eyelids? Pwede, pero depende again. Pwede siya sa eyelids mo, definitely. Pero kung oily yung eyelids mo, I don't think it's gonna last that long. I think kailangan mo siyang iset ng powder and all that. Pero kung alam mo yun, mabilis ang color ang kailangan mo, pwede naman siya. For the price, sulit na siya. Pero guys, be careful kapag nilagay mo siya sa bag mo, oh my god, eto, yung gilid-gilid nito nakaskas kasi natanggal yung takip dun sa bag ko. So, nag-roll over siya ng roll over. So, nalagyan yung ibang mga makeup ko. Pero, so, alam mo yun, just be careful in using this. Ilagay mo siya sa talagang super tight space sa bag mo, yung hindi siya gagalaw. Huwag mo siyang ihalo sa kikay kit mo, lalo na kung kikay kit mo malaki at maluwag. Kasi matatanggal yung takip at gagawa siya ng mess. So yeah, I guess that's it. Those are my thoughts regarding the Careline multi-stick, and sana kahit paano nakatulong naman ako dun sa makeup. Alam mo, ano talaga siya pag natural looking. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa full face, super glam. Pero may tulong ng iba pang products. May tulong, lalo na sa eyeshadows. Pero when it comes to the cheeks, contour, and strobing, pwede naman. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Jiggly arms!